Welcome back. Namaskar. Cisco Viptela SD-WAN deep dive. Picture your global WAN as a busy express way and Cisco Viptela SD-WAN as a traffic police, a guy who is keeping track of all the traffic, and there should not be any jam. That keeps everything smooth and safe. When you turn on your branch router, the V bond quickly checks its identity and safely bring it into your network. Like VIP entry gate. Then vSmart takes charge of controlling how data moves across your entire network using OMP. Now, OMPs stand for Overlay Management Protocol. This is for managing the overall routing. This protocol I'll explain in a separate video, but to this protocol is very much used to update routing tables so that all data flows securely. At the same time, we manage is your main dashboard, and where you can see what also rules are set, and you can also set rules, track how everything is working, update software, and also fix issues without going to branch, yourself. So you don't have to send anyone, but you can update it from remote site. One big feature which I want to highlight is dynamic path selection. It's like health check of your data link. If your main MPLS line, which is multi-protocol label switching, if you know it, it is another, very old routing protocol, which is used to, which has, multiple features earlier. Now SD-WAN is actually replacing it. If it is slow, SD-WAN quickly switch the call or video meeting to the faster internet or LTE line. So user don't notice any problem. This smart traffic steering not only makes your application work better, but also cuts your WAN cost by up to 30% because you can use cheaper internet links along with MPLS plus, MPLS. Plus Cisco SD-WAN makes setting up branch, your remote branch super easy. No need to send engineer or use, a long command. Just plug and play. You plug in the router and it automatically connects to the vManage to get all the setting. This can set this can actually, I would say, save your weeks of work when opening new office around the world. Anywhere, you want to open an office in a day's time, it is very quick. Imagine you want to open a remote coffee shop. You have a coffee chain like this cafe coffee day, or those Starbucks, and it's a remote place. You can send a router there. I mean, once it is plugged into the network and it is up and running, it will automatically do it and do the configuration. As even adds a layer of protection also, and work with cloud security tools, keeping your data safe and uh, this is also following the PCI DSS. PCI is for payment card industry data security standards, and GDPR, which is for European Union, those general data protection regulatory. Yeah, these are the standard it is already following. Now, micro segmentation means every app gets just the right level of security. And you can set different rule for different types of data. With deep analytics, you can see how well your app is doing, and you can fix the problem before they affect the user. In today's world, when employee work from home and a businessman use lot of cloud apps, having a flexible and intelligent WAN is essential. Imagine your global office working together easily, your cloud apps running faster, and your IT team actually having there is no longer stuck they are not no longer stuck with the endless firewall rules which they earlier used to. SD-WAN take care of everything. SD-WAN take charge of your WAN from a rigid, expensive system into a actually it actually changes it to a very smart and network that if that grows with your business. Key thing to remember, I just wanted to highlight four things. First is dynamic path selection. This dynamic path selection is the key feature wherein it automatically select the best possible path. And then there is zero touch provisioning. I mean, you don't have to plug and you just plug and play. You don't have to do deep configuration, or you don't have to send engineer. It is just plug and play. And then we manage control everything from one place, and cost saving is utmost important. Up to, I would say, 30% less spent on WAN when you are using faster, when while you are also getting faster speed and better security with Cisco SD-WAN. Now your network helps you work smarter and grow faster. So you can spend more time on your customer, which is your core business and new idea, instead of fixing old network problem. Yeah, I hope you had liked this overall explanation of Cisco SD-WAN solution. More detail will come in a separate section where I am going to give uh, architectural wise deep dive on each of the solution that Cisco offer. But for now, this is it. Now, in next video, I'll be focusing on campus networking, and you see, I'll try to explain Cisco SD access there in a better way. Thank you. Namaskar.